Hey guys, I know I look rough. I look rough. I look crazy. My hair is like in meek braids, but as you can see by the title, I'm doing another maintenance vlog. I'm gonna make this vlog real short because I feel like my other vlog is long. Or do y'all prefer like long vlogs or short vlogs? Let me know in the comments. I will be doing my nails, my hair, my eyebrows, my toes, shaving. I need to change my belly piercing. I know I said I was gonna change my belly piercing from the last vlog, but it's been a year, so I can fully change it now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change it because I was just scared that it might, like, if I take the piercing out, it's gonna close. Because last time I had a piercing, I had it for like 5 months, and when the person, I literally went to the people to get it changed, and it was closed. I don't know how the hell it closed that damn fast. I think because it didn't heal. Say at least with this piercing, I made sure it healed. I made sure I cleaned it, but not over cleaned it. So right now I'm actually gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna flip over, sewing. I'm not doing a quick weave. I was gonna do a quick weave. It's getting hot outside. I feel like a quick weave, I don't know. I could do a quick weave because I feel like a quick weave is faster, but I'd rather just do sewing. And tell me why I spent $53 in the goddamn beauty supply store on these 3 packs of breezy waves 30-inch. Lastly, I think it's because everybody is doing this braids and quick weaves in the back or whatever, and a lot of people is using this brand. For last year when I did the same hairstyle with the braids and the weave in the back, I paid only $11 for this pack of hair, and it's the same length, 30 length. Why this shit like $16 now, $15? I said, oh hell no. But it's like I need to do my hair, and this is the style that I wanted. Cause they didn't have nothing shorter. They only had like 30, and they had like other styles. I didn't want other styles. I wanted this one. So yes, I ended up paying $50-something for just a 3-pack of hair, a wig cap, and this. Imagine if I did a quick weave. Imagine if I had to get the glue. The glue is damn near $11. Then you have to get the protected liquid thing. That's like $8. Then you gotta get a cap. That's a lot. That right there would have cost me $100. So yeah, I need to take my hair out. My hair look crazy, but my hair's starting to grow. I don't know if you guys can see. My hair's starting to grow back.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by more, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I know I didn't do enough talking, but I'm on my first pack. Well, I finished my first pack of hair. I'm on the second one, and I'm gonna lie, I'm tired. So as I told you, I'm doing a flip over sewing, and I ain't gonna lie, I look, you see why they glue, but I should have been did this like years ago. Like certain things that I'm now doing, I should have been years ago, because this is not hard. Like I ain't gonna lie, it is tiring. Like I'm tired. Like I've been doing my hair since damn near probably like 5 or 4, so I am tired, but it's not that bad. I ain't gonna lie. Like, you guys see my hair? It's not that bad. Oh, and also I didn't even show y'all my hair. Look at my hair. My hair's growing. This is gonna be my style because I'm tired of wearing wigs. And who wanna wear wigs in the summertime? Not me. So this is definitely like about to be my to-go. Like quick weaves, sewings. Really want to give wigs a break. Y'all know what I forgot to tell y'all too? Since I'm doing my hair, I might as well tell y'all. It's over there. I'm gonna put a picture of it, or I'm probably gonna show y'all later. But tell me why. I don't think I recorded. So I didn't record me like going downtown Brooklyn and shopping. So I had a dermatologist appointment because my face had broke. I was asking her like, what should I get for moisturizer? Because I think my other dermatologist told me not to use shea butter. This is the thing when it comes to like products. It's like I could use shea butter on my body, but when it comes to my face, I can't use shea butter. Okay, whatever. And she was like, just use their double moisturizer. The moisturizer I've been using is triple, so I guess the double doesn't have shea butter in it. But the thing is, don't nobody have no damn don't have the pump one. They have the little small ones. So I wanted the big one. So stupid me goes and buys the same lotion I've been using for years, because I'm like, ain't nothing gonna happen. I had an allergic reaction. But it's so crazy because even today I just put shea butter all over my body and I'm good. I think when it comes to my face, it's like, girl, don't put no shea butter on your face. I think my face is like way more sensitive than my body. As y'all can see, it's late at night. My hair is done. I don't feel like looking cute, honestly, but my hair is done. Let me see if I show it off. Oof. I ain't gonna lie, the only thing is I wish I used more of my real hair out. I feel like I left a little bit out. I should have added more. This I have to fix, but I'm not fixing that tonight. But it's all right, bro. It's like it could be better, but I'm not fixing it tonight. I'm too tired. It really was supposed to be like a flip over, but I don't know. I think I should have got like a different hair texture, but this is okay. And I'm so happy. I only use 2 packs. My forehead is booming. Ooh, that's the only thing I hate. I've been doing my hair for six hours. I really should have did a quick weave. But my next hairstyle, I'm gonna do the braids and then I'm gonna leave the back. A lot of people be like, oh, this hair only lasts a few days. I don't know what y'all be doing, but this hair lasts me a whole month. I ain't gonna lie. I done had this hair for like, it's like my 3rd with this hair company, and yeah, it's synthetic. People don't realize. People are like, oh, why it don't last if it's a 3rd? Like, girl, it is synthetic. This shit is not supposed to last. But if you know how to maintain, it and stuff, it'll last. But other than that, it's not gonna last. I really wish I left more hair out. This itty bitty hair, I'm gonna have to put it this way. Oh, I'm just tired. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Okay, so right now I'm about to change my belly piercing. I don't know if you guys can hear me. If you can't hear me, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. But I'm about to use this. I actually have to, I think I'm supposed to wash this first. But I think I'm gonna dump it in this. Not gonna touch it. And I'm gonna leave this in there for like 5 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm about to take the liquid out and then use this to dry it. So I'm gonna just let that dry. I'm not gonna take this out yet until that completely dries. Okay, y'all, good morning. It is the next day. I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face. My face is so like dry. I got crust all over my eyes. Now, y'all saw yesterday I tried to change my piercing, but I just could not get the grip of the bottom part to hold the top and twist it. So I will be getting it done by somebody. I ain't got time for it. I gotta use this lotion because I don't have any other lotion to put on my face. I need moisturizer. Now this is the moisturizer that broke my eyes and my lips out, but it didn't break my face out. So I'm thinking if I should just not put it around my mouth, put it like everywhere else. I don't know, I'm scared. Alright, so right now I'm about to use this hydrating gentle cleanser. Okay, so I'm about to put this, I don't know, but my dermatologist, she gave this to me to put around my eyes because my eyes have been itching. Yo, hasn't eczema? My eczema never used to be like this bad. I don't know, it's getting worse, but it's like, damn. Okay, so right now I'm about to do my hair. I have my heat protector. Let me actually turn. I need to clean this. Damn, double texting. Nah, let me stop. I love that. Double text me. I love that. This is how I detangle it. Just put a little bit of water. I love this hairstyle. I just wish I left more baby hair, but it's like 90 degrees outside and I'm low-key happy I didn't leave too much hair up. My hair is not surviving this heat, but the only reason I'm doing my hair is because I'm not going outside, so. Sometimes you gotta read a text and just smile. Oh my god, I wish I could get a human hair like this. If I can find a breezy wave human hair, I would never take it off. Literally, this would be my hairstyle for the rest of my life. Cause it's just something about this and a body wave that I just love. And I don't use a comb or nothing. I don't use my hands to detangle it. Okay, so we gotta do some heat protector. I don't use too much. I thought I was doing something. This is not even on. Also, I hate that. I don't know if y'all know, but I want to say I bald right here, but I don't have hair right here. And it's not because I lose hair. It's not because of wigs or nothing. I was literally born like that. Like with this type of hairline, where I have like hair right here, but no hair right here and hair right here. I got my daddy hairline. This shit running his family. That's why sometimes I don't like certain hairstyles because it's gonna look funny. Damn, I don't know if I have more spray. This is the final touch of my hair. Like I said, it could be better, but my first time, so I like it. I just need a headband. If I can put a headband, it's good.
Mighty love.
Yeah. Feelings so deep in my feelings. Noticing you really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.